Hello, David again at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. I'm standing on a newly listed 2019 Boston Whaler 270 Dauntless. Has the light blue color. It's powered with twin 300 horsepower Verados in white. As you can see, as I'm backing up here, we have the ski pylon, bimini top boat, a whole bunch of other really nice features I can't wait to show you. I'm going to spin around here, we see the other side of the boat. Okay, now that we're sitting still, I have the boat in the dock. I wanted to talk about the Mercury 300 Verados. These are the largest engines you can put on the 27 Dauntless. This thing is an absolute rocket ship. These are the newly designed 300 Mercuries with access doors, so you can lift the lid off easily. Also check the engine oil in here as well. The silver chaps mean it's Verado, which is AMS, which stands for Advanced Midsection. That's the newest, most innovative engines that Mercury offers. As I move farther forward into the boat, we have a starboard side walkthrough right here. We have our water fill, rod holders across the back. You might not be able to see because the engines are in the way, but there's a raw water washdown right here. Over here we have an onboard charger. So you can keep the boat plugged in at the slip, the batteries will stay completely charged. We have a large casting platform when this is down. If I pick this up, there's ample seating for people to sit forward. I'm moving forward, we have our kitchen with a nice grab hold. A sink that drains below. Fresh water. Spot for a Yeti cooler down here. We do have the Yeti cooler, it's just not on the boat. Of course, a sprayer. I'm going to come up the starboard side of the boat here. This boat was ordered with a refrigerator. Of course, flip up bolsters. And we're going to move up to the helm right here. We have twin Ray Marine screens. We have a Mercury vessel view. Active trim, all of our switches, 2 charger ports, our VHF radio, JL audio sound system, of course digital throttle, digital shift. There's a lot of different features on this throttle that we can go over as far as docking mode, syncing, controlling each engine individually, one throttle. We have our trim tabs with indicators, of course tiltable steering wheel. Our ignition keys are over here. Like every Boston Whaler, a compass center. Our anchor light is center. Of course, our antenna. We'll move back over on the starboard side. Inside the helm, we have a porta potty. Currently, all the cushions for the bow are stored in there. Okay, up here on the Dauntless, we have our anchor locker. Anchor stored deep in there. We also have a bow louder that flips out. As we move farther back on the boat, we have a large storage locker right here. Also drains down into the bilge. With 2 more port and starboard as well. This also has flip-up seats. I do have cushions for all of this. They're just in the head compartment. They're not out right now. That allows to have people sitting forward as well. This center platform comes up into a table. Also has a cushion as that. Like every Dauntless, this has the large coffin box Very, very deep with lots of storage, with rod accessibility to go down on the side, with another pocket up here as well. This boat is available at MarineMax Lake Hopatcong. Come on down and take a look.